Winds shifted out of the north after the cold front that came through over the weekend, and the bottom dropped out, and it's not coming back for a while. Temperatures are going to be cold coming up. So taking a look outside at those temperatures, mid-20s, upper 20s, everybody out of the 30s, and look at Covington, 15 degrees at the surface. You factor in the wind chill, and it feels like 1 at Covington. Some areas feel like the teens. Either way, the more we drop overnight, and we are expected to get down to single digits in some areas, the more that wind chill is going to drop with it. We are tracking a few snow showers, mostly in the form of flurries, and as that passes, it's hitting the Ohio River. There could be a few spots in our northern counties that are getting some flurries. All of that falling and melting on contact, if it even makes it all the way down to the ground. We're not expecting any accumulation from anything that comes in tonight or tomorrow morning. It is just a glancing blow of snow showers. It's basically running in with a front, and it's a very small, weak front, doesn't have much to work with. It's basically going to keep cloud coverage throughout the morning hours, at least for southeastern counties. Everybody else clearing up by that point. Everybody's back to the sunshine before it goes down. Not really going to warm it up much, though. In fact, temperatures will stay below freezing throughout the day tomorrow, all the way throughout the week, in fact, into the new year. We'll talk about that in a minute. As far as snow chances go, it's really just minor, if anything, throughout the next few days, Thursday, Friday. The best chance comes in on Saturday, and even then, that's not looking impressive either. So really, it's just the cold that we have to contend with, and it is something that we have to keep in mind, because these overnight lows that are in single digits, once again, a 5 to 10 mile per hour wind is going to make it feel like a negative value. And that can be dangerous, especially if you're outside for an extended period of time. So if you are going to be outside, especially in the morning hours the next few days into next week, just make sure you bundle up. If not, try and spend as much time inside so you can stay warm. Expected stretch of temperatures that will be freezing, 32 degrees or below, is 10 days. That started yesterday. It's supposed to end on Wednesday. The only day that may break that streak is Friday, which will be one of the warmest days of the week, but even then we're only expecting to get to 31 that afternoon. So if we do it, if we hit all 10 days below freezing, it will be a 10-day stretch that would match all of these years, the longest stretch 18 days. We don't do it very often, but when we do, it is bitter and it's tough. Thank goodness we don't have to deal with the wind chill values that the north is right now, -10 to -40 throughout the next 24 hours for the wind chill advisory. As you can see, it stretches all the way from Montana out towards northern Maine. And this is cold. This is when frostbite sets in just after 10 minutes of being outdoors. Luckily, we don't have to deal with that. But it just gives you an idea that going throughout the next few days, these wind chill values are something to keep in mind and definitely try and be indoors as much as possible. Look at Sunday morning. We're talking about wind chill values below freezing, below 0 degrees, if not getting to that -10 mark. So throughout the next 8 days, you'll notice that there's not a whole lot going on except the cold weather. But we do have chances for snow every once in a while, and they are glancing blows, mainly just flurries. Better chance comes in on Saturday, but even going into the new year, temperatures stay below freezing. More LEX 18 News after the break.